Yes.
Did you had homework? When? Sunday. You told me, but you never told me what it was. Oh.
Yes, I've told you to do this one. Do you remember what we did last time? It was about navigation. This nav. This one is called
we did that.
element, right? An element nav is for navigation, and it is used for like to create a section, something group. If we want to group our pages, we use this navigation bar. If you see this one, and if I run this, check this one, this one I have Google Home Contact. Then if I run my HTML, it's the name is day 4, right? So if I open with my browser, it will bring it like this. It will bring it like this. You've seen about. Oh, okay. I didn't save it. This one, I think. Let me save it. Okay. When you write something here, when you update, can you see this thing? Can you see it?
Yes.
This one is red, right?
No,
this thing, this icon, it's red. If I
HRES.
This one.
Oh yes.
The icon is red, right?
Yeah.
So let me save it, and you will see the change. Save. It changes to something blue and green, right?
White.
Yes. Because when you save it, if you know this file is saved or not. Okay, let me add something here. Google One. Let me add and check here. What will happen? You've seen? It turns red because you updated your file, and it is telling me you updated your file and you didn't save it. Okay, who is here?
I thought I could have white.
Okay, Israel. Welcome, Israel. Can you hear me? Away. Okay. Ay عندي. تايدا أخوين زي زارة. Israel. Okay. So we are just starting the class. Just follow. Okay. So where is Sorry guys, there was technical issue. Okay. Okay. Now let me share my screen, entire screen. Okay. So last time we were talking about this navigation bar. This navigation bar helps us to create to group specific elements in one. So this one is it will create for us this navigation bar, Google Home Contact. Let me refresh. I didn't open. Okay. Okay, welcome Adonai. Adonai is also here. Okay, let's continue. So if you see this one, you can see this white screen with Ronaldo's picture, right? Anna, can you see?
Pardon?
Hello, what is about
Yes.
Ronaldo picture?
Yeah.
Yes. So this page is created by this code. If you've seen, last time we just added this one. We added this navigation bar, and this one this navigation bar is an abbreviation for navigation. So the main purpose of this navigation bar navigation element is for it defines a section of website. For example, this one, these are like titles, right? This Google Home Contact is created by these three A elements.
Pay attention.
A. Anna, are you following?
Sorry, can you repeat what you said?
Eh?
I think I have that already.
Yes, this one.
Navigation.
So this, if we continue from here, we can write it as new. So we start with nav. Nav is an abbreviation for navigation. So if we open, this is an element, right? I've told you this is tagging element. So any opening, this is an opening tag. An opening tag should have closing tag. The closing tag should be the same but with the bar nav. It should be like this. Then we put whatever we want inside. It's like a container. We open container, we put something, we close it. That's how we do. Same thing in navigation, right? So navigation is like it defines a section of websites that contains links inside.
Go
Do you have question?
right. Like the one that has about home and contact. Do I delete?
No, you don't need to delete. I'm writing it again. So this is
Okay.
if we say this is a navigation, this is a container. Then we start. If we need a link inside this one, we start with A. This A is called anchor. It's a tag for a link. It creates hyperlink. So we write up, we open A, and we follow. If we need link, we follow with href. This href is an abbreviation for hyperlink reference. H is for hyperlink. Ref is for reference. So this is like formula, like mathematics. If we have 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, that is a formula. That is how it works, right? We cannot ask why is 2 plus 2 4. It will given.
Because it's like a
It is international, like scientific agreement. Same thing here in coding. These are codes. These are formulas. You don't change this thing. It is everywhere the same. So we start with opening tag A, then we add href if we need to add link. Then we say equal, then quotation mark. Then we put the link of the link what we want to put there. For example, we can say Google. What's the link for Google?
Google.com.
Okay, Google. If we say google.com, it might not bring it because the full. Okay, we can. It will bring it. Okay. Let's say google.com. Then we close the quotation mark. Then we close the tag, the element. Here, we after in between this one, here we write that represents for this google.com. We will not see this on our page. Instead, we write something what we want to see.
Stop. Just
For example, Google like this. Then we close A. When we close A, we do like this, right? Then on our page, we will see this one, only this one. Let me save it. Then we will see how it appears. It's this one. Let me refresh because this one I've already deleted. You will not see this. You see, it's only showing Google. Did you understand why the other home and contact disappeared. Anna, Adonai,
Yeah.
am I clear?
Yes.
Adonai, are you following?
What? Yeah. You're not following, shut up.
Yes, Adonai.
Did I see you?
So Anna, until Adonai
Yeah.
return, why that this on this side there were three,
Mhm.
right? Google, home, contact.
And about? Yeah.
Why did it, why they disappear the home and contact here?
Because we don't have the code for that.
Yes, because I didn't add here. Once I add, it will appear. Okay, Aki,
Yeah.
if I want to add here home, how should I write? Tell me one by one. Can you tell me?
You add the statements called.
Like this
Okay.
one?
Yeah.
Then?
And then you write home inside.
No. We add,
you
we
write
write a
A
ref equal, then quotation mark. Okay, we need, for example, let me assume I have home.html link. For now, I can write home like this. Then I close with a. If I save it and I refresh the page, it should come here home, right? It has come. It has come.
Yes.
Now, I wanted. Am I clear until now? Adonai, I didn't hear you today.
Yes.
Adonai. Israel. اسمعك الذي إسرائيل؟ Okay. Adonai, I don't know if you are talking. I can't hear you. Hello, Adonai.
I can just talk.
I think he went out.
If you're not gonna listen, get it.
Okay, why are you, who is disturbing? Azaria.
Listen.
Why are you disturbing?
Yeah.
I will report you to the director. Okay. So, okay, until he comes back, Adonai, let me tell you something here. What will happen if I click Google here? Can anyone tell me?
It's gonna tell you that there's no file because you haven't made a file for it yet.
You haven't?
It's gonna say that it's gonna say file is not found
Okay.
because you haven't made a
Okay.
separate file
This
for
one,
it yet.
because we don't have the file, that's why I was saying this Google is not the correct one. If we put this one, because it's real, let's put this one. Let's replace this google.com. Instead of google.com, we put HTTPS, the full link of google.com. This is hypertext link. So now if I refresh, where is it? Let me cancel this one. If I click now, it will go to google.com, to the Google homepage. See, have you seen it?
Wait. Yeah.
See, if I click here,
Can I see?
huh?
Can I see what you put?
It's here.
HT.
I just added HTTPS to / for google.com.
Okay.
It was google.com, right? Then I just
Yeah.
added this one. So this home.html, if I click it, the home, it will tell me no file.
Yeah.
But if I add file, how can I add file?
By going to the file, by searching something on Google,
No,
and then
no.
No?
You just create another. Let me create the same thing, something like this. I copy and paste. I save it as home.
How do you make a new one?
Okay, I will show you guys. Hold on. This one is home. Same, it should be the same name as in this one. It should be the same name of this. So if you want to add, you can go here, file, then new. Or there is something white new here, right? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yes.
When I press,
you just click the new one, then it will bring you clean sheet. Okay.
How do I change the name to be home?
Which one?
For the new one that I just made.
For the name.
HTML. How do I change the name?
Click on the. It says new tool or new one.html, right?
Wait.
Or can you can share with the screen?
Oh, okay, so I got it.
You got it? Okay. Adonai, you are back. I don't know what happened your sound. Okay, you can chat or you can give me thumbs up. If you have question, you can write me. Okay. Okay, let me repeat once because you.
It's not.
We are doing here the links, how to add these things. Google Home. So guys, let's go. Let me show you. For example, now let me show you here. Okay, these all these titles was created by navigation tool. These are navigation tools.
Hello.
Yes. Oh, Teka.
Gary, his volume was off.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Welcome. Okay. Welcome, Adonai. Okay.
Okay. Hi.
I
Yeah.
have
Okay. Have you done this thing? Did you add the links? Adonai? Were you able to add this like this link? Or I show you here this part.
No, I mean making the image.
Okay. We have already okay. Do you have any question on the image?
No, I don't.
Okay, let me go through one this navigation. Now this nav element, this is another element, new element. We will use it for to create links or groups.
Stop
This
that.
nav element stands for navigation. It's an abbreviation for navigation, and it defines a section of where it's. If you want to put in sections our web page, we put them as navigation. Like this left side, sidebar, top side, footer, or right side, center, something. If we want to group them, we use this element. So as usual, any tag, if we open any tag, we should have a closing tag. Same like this. If I highlight this one, you can see is a closing tag, right? So anytime it is a rule. If you open any tag, you must close it. That's how it works. Same thing if you see here, the A, it has closing tag. So you can add here as many as different. It can be text, it can be image, it can be link. So for everything we have different tags. For example, this A is usually for links. If you want a link, if you want to put a link, we start with this A and we follow href. That's this is for only for link. If you want to add just texts, lists of texts, we just put okay, who's hold on. Okay. There is no okay. So this is the formula. We put A here, then we add href equal quotation. This one you can put whatever you want, but it should be available. For example, if I put the other time like this, google.com. If I put google.com, there is no file that can get this link. Then it will tell me file not found. For example, let me save it and I refresh my page. Let me refresh. Then if I click this Google, it will tell me file not found. Oh, this one is going. I think it is taking the other. Oh, sorry. I'm in different page. This one was. This is supposed to be the main what I'm refreshing. Let me save and you will see. I refresh. Then if I click Google, it should show me this one, file not found, because I didn't put the right link. The right link should be HTTPS like this. Now if I save it and I refresh this one, and if I let me click this Google, it will show me to the main page. This is the right page. For example, if I put this, let me add another for Dowley 3 schools. A ref equal quotation, then I paste the link, exactly the link. I can remove this slash, it is okay if it will not bring problem even if it is there. Then I will give any name that represents for this link. If I say Dowley 3, it is okay. You can give it any name that will display on your page. So this one, let me close it. Okay. Cancel this one. This one, go back. I refresh. Okay, it is already there. It's already here. If I click this one, it will take me to Dowley 3 schools. You've seen it, right? Am I clear? I will have a question right now for you guys. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let me ask one question. Okay, for this one, if I put here Adonai, if I put Adonai here, what will happen?
If you put Adonai where? I can't see. Okay.
You can't see this one?
Oh, if you put Adonai there, then when you go to the file where you have the drawings, it's not gonna show you because it's not complete right school.
Okay, what about Adonai?
Yeah.
What will happen if I put this one?
Then if you put Adonai, there will be a link. You'll see Adonai. Then when you press it, it'll take you to W3 schools.
Nice one, bravo, bravo. Yes, this one, it doesn't matter. It will be display. Whatever you put here, it will display on your page, but it will take you here. For example, let me put here Facebook. If I go to the page, where is it? I will see Facebook here. It is here. If I click here, Facebook, do you think it will take me to Facebook page? Aki,
No.
Azaria, Aki,
Yeah.
there is right here, we have Google link, we have home, we have Facebook. So if I click Facebook here, will it take me to Facebook page?
Answer. I can't hear you. It's asking you. You see how he has Google on Facebook here. if he clicks on Facebook, is it gonna take him to direct
like
to
this one?
Facebook?
If I
No.
click Google here, if I click, it
You can't.
is taking me.
You're not gonna go automatically because you have to make a file, make it like you have to make it like kind of into a website so you can join it, but you need a file to do it.
Okay, what will happen if I click Facebook here?
You won't be there.
Oh,
You won't get just automatic go to Facebook. You're gonna have to make it into a website to do that.
okay, this here is a Facebook. This Facebook represents for this one. So
No, that's the website, so you can join into Facebook.
no. So this Facebook, if I click this Facebook, it will take me to this link. Let me show you. If I click here, it will take me to W3 schools. You've seen, right? You understand?
Do you understand? Oh yeah. Yes, now
All-
I understand.
All of you guys, is it clear?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. Whatever you put here, it doesn't mean it will change this link. So this one we can put. What about if you want to, we want to add our own instead of Google, for example, they have their own web page, they have their own link. But if you are new, if you want to create your own website, you have to have, okay, for example, this is what I am working on. This is our from next time we are going to have classes through this website. So you've seen these things. If I want to add, for example, if I click home here, it is taking me here. If I click about, it will take me somewhere about us, who we are. If I click programs, it's taking me here. If I click practice, you see it is taking me to practice. So if I want to create, for example, let me go back here. Let me go back to the code. Instead of this one, practice dot html. Practice. This one, it will. What is it? Now we replace Facebook by practice, right? If I refresh, it will come practice. If I click this practice, it will show me file not found because there is no address, there is no link that represents for practice.html. Can you see here? Practice.html. Because that file is not there, this file, we don't have such file. But how can we create? We cannot use google.com or something because that one is not ours. We have to create our own. So same thing. Okay, I didn't show you here. For the home.html, I've created home here, the same file, but let's change it a little bit. My first web page, let's put it second. My second web page. Hello people, about us, we love learning code. Okay, Let's remove this Ronaldo's picture. Okay. I bring this one also. I should put it here. Okay, I've saved it. Now, if you understood it, if I click home, it will show me to another page because I have already created home.html. This home.html. It will show me this home.html I've already created. So if I click, it must take me to another page, which is not the same. So you will see the difference. This page it says hello world about me. I love learning coding and Ronaldo's picture. If I click this one, it will change. You've seen it. There is no Ronaldo's page, the Ronaldo's picture, I mean, and the text also have changed. Did you understand now? Is it clear how it changes? How it
Yeah.
Okay, what about Anna?
Yes.
Okay, nice one. I want you, let me give you one activity. I want you to add 3 links extra. It doesn't matter whether the pages exist or not. You will just create another 3 links. We have these 3. Just copy these 3. I want you to add another 3. Like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that okay? Can you create? Am I audible?
Yes. So do we make a different one, 3 of ours?
Yes, you can create 3 here.
We can add anything we want, right?
Anything, but it should be meaning.
Okay.
It should be like it should be showing. It should be showing here.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah. So let me give you like 10 minutes. Okay, Israel, are you following? Can you hear me? اسمعك already? Okay, in 10 minutes you will be sharing your screen. I see what you have done. Mhm.
Gary, I have a quick question.
Okay, go on.
Can we add a video too?
Video.
Yeah.
Yes, but right now we didn't reach there.
So no, I took it as one. So no videos.
No, not now. You can
Okay.
add like video, just video text,
Uh-huh.
not the real video. You cannot upload real video because it will
Okay.
take time. It is possible, but it will take time to upload. So you can create a link for video. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
I might just stop it. Put that down. It's dangerous. Just put it down. Like I'm not dangerous, right?
Hello. 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 Mohammed. Hello. اسمعك أنا. اسمع عندنا. أبيت. ما خبر. كم يوم. سلام لهم. اسمعك أنا. ما خميني هذا حنا. تكذا هذا هاي. يخبرك الذي تاي. إلا أنا ده. ما خميني هاي. كذا الذي هم ماس يخبركم الذي ويس. كذا تصرح تقولوا خمو بتزريكم دلهم. متوسخي توريال كوركم سنبت مخردكم وينكم يا إسرائيل كنيرة هاوي يستي يا إسرائيل دعني خا لا دا إنجليزيا حيلك نادية يسمعك هذا كاتات الدلهاس ويس يردك ها بالإنجليزية بالتقرينيا ويدهم كردكمس ويس كاتات الدلهاس እሺ በቃ ደግመ ሁሉ ጊዜ ሰንበት ምሽት ደግመ እንትን ከርዶኩ ማለት እዩ በትግርኛ ቀዳም ትከታተሉሞ ካው ሰንበት ካ እንድሕር ዘይተረዲእኩም ተሓቱኒ هرايدا ماشي بقى تشاغل تخاطر هذا على القصه
Hi.
شنو ما عنده بس ما تبغى تضرب يمثل تضرب
Are you done? We are back. Anyone who is done? Hello?
I think I'm done.
Okay, you can share. Let me see your result.
I did it. Yeah.
Why is not showing? Presenting.
Okay, I'm done too.
Let me stop sharing my. I can't even see your screen. I don't know.
Can you see my screen?
I think it is coming. Says it is coming. Presenting. Oh, Anna, can you see his screen? Yeah, I can't see.
Yes.
Oh, it is my system is lagging. Let me check from here, this side. Yes, yes, now I can see it. Okay. Remove this one. Google Home Practice, Microsoft Help and Support.
Can you see W for schools?
Yes,
Let me press it. It takes me here.
yes, very nice, very nice. Goals. Yeah. Perfect. So you, okay, that one it may not take you. What about the Microsoft? Okay, okay, very nice, very nice.
Yeah.
So this one is you've added working links, available links.
Yeah.
Very good. Good job, good job. Now you've understood. Next time you can create your own. Not like you don't need to copy. You just put your own. Okay. Anna, you can share.
Okay. Oh my mind. You already smell like popcorn. I don't want popcorn. Stop. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, so I did
Okay.
Roblox, Scratch, and Smart Education.
Okay.
Okay, give me a sec. If you go to and then when you press Roblox, you can go to the
Okay.
game,
Mm-hmm.
and when you press Scratch, you can also go there. And when you press Smart Education, you can also go there.
Okay. Let's go back to the code. Okay. The way you put, it's okay, but I can see
I can play.
minor mistakes. Aki, are you following?
Yes, I am.
Can you identify any mistake here?
See.
Okay. Adonai, can you see any
Yes.
mistake? Can you see any mistake or error or something missed?
Hmm.
On her code?
Maybe because the NAV.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I didn't put a closing.
Yes. One thing,
Okay.
he didn't put the closing. That one is, yes. You see, the problem in HTML, even you have a mistake, it will show you because this code is small. When you write a big code, when you write full website, it will not show you. It will misbehave. So for this one, if we learn it very well from small, we will not create a mistake. But even if you have mistake for this small thing, it will just display. It will not tell you there is problem. But the problem will be when we build big websites. Another one. This one is out of HTML. Out of HTML. Everything should be inside an HTML. So it will display when you open the website, it will display, but the browser will not. The browser does not identify this code is HTML. That means you are outside of the box. Can you see the? Okay, leave it. You've seen the line, the green line. The green line.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Orange. That is an indicator we have minor error. So can you select that navigation? Can you select from 28 to 33? Select it down. No, from 28 down. You start from 27. Yes. I think your internet is buffering. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
I can't hear you.
Hello?
Hello?
Okay, now I can hear you.
I can't hear you.
Okay, now you select that one, Control
Okay.
X. Yes, go to 24. Up. Yes, Control V. Yes, Control V. Yes. Now, at 24, remove that one.
The NAV?
Yes. Now, Control A. Control S. Save. Now we are good. You You've seen it, everything is
Okay.
so. This is how we create navigation bar. What if you want make it down? This is horizontal, right? But if we want
Yeah.
them like as list,
Vertical.
yeah,
If you want to vertical.
yes. How do we do it?
By separating them each.
Each is what?
By making a new navigation for each one.
Okay. If we put like this, if we put like this navigation for H1, what is the advantage? If you okay, let me show you. Let me remove this one, then you will see what will happen. Let me refresh this.
Do I stop sharing?
Yeah, you can stop.
Yes.
Have you seen it? You've seen what happened when I remove the navigation. It continues after the picture.
That's your screen.
Oh, sorry, I didn't share. You can see it now. So now,
You can see it now.
yes, I've removed the navigation here. It was here and here. I've removed it. Now, what will happen? It's like this. It continues after this picture. It continues the listing. But if I put this navigation, navigation, it will start its own line. You've seen? Okay. If you want to put them if you want to put vertical, there is another tag called UL. Unordered list. You have to close it here. The same unordered list. Then we put here. Let's see what will happen. Still the same, but with some space, because we have added the unordered the list tag. It pushed a little bit, but we want to put Google here, home here, practice here. We have to put li, that is a list. I put this one as list li. Then I must close it here. L-I. For all, how to put the same? Let me copy it. I save it. Let me check. You've seen? Am I clear? What I've added here? This UL is an ordered list. It creates list. So for each element, we want to list number 3, number 4, it continues. So this one displays vertical as list 2, 3, 4. If we want to put number 1, number 2 numbers, we will have another method. We will see it later on while we're going to advance. So this is our today's main topic. Another one is I wanted to add table. Am I clear with this one? If you have any concern, any question before we proceed to the next topic or concept? Anyone? Silent means understood. Okay.
No.
So for the next, after this, I need, okay. We can still use this navigation for another one, another section. We can put the table inside one container. So this one also, we still have its own parameter. We start with table. Then we close table. I'm telling the HTML, I'm creating table. We have this one. So in table, we have a row and column. We start with, for example, how can I? Okay, let me try if I can use. You see, this one is a table which has table row. This one is a table row. This is, for example, we can put this as header. For example, this one, I can use name. age, subject, and grade. Okay. Then we can input here. This one this is the header for everyone. For example, if we are going to register people, for example, Adonai, Anna, age, let's say 10, 14, subject, maths, English, grade 6, 9. If you want to put this one on our website, how do we put? How do we put it? So I have to start with the table row. Let me put table row is TR. This thing we should know it. Once we use it, we remember, or we can also refer anytime. The main thing is knowing the concept, how to put. But this TR, was it TR or TB or something? It's okay. You can Google it anytime. You can have reference for the codes, for the keywords. But once you practice it, you will remember it. So we start TR, then we close TR. Every time we open, we have to close it. So let me put a gap here. Inside the, what is it? This is a row. So now I want to put header, table header, TH. First one is name, TH, name. I close TH. Second one is, what was it? TH, age. TH. Third, TH. Was it subject? Subject. TH. Then grade. TH. Okay. Let's see what will happen. Let's check our update. You've seen it just wrote this because PR. Okay, let's finish. The next one is another table row. We finished row number 1. Let's continue another row. TR. It's the same like this. We just change only this one. We have to close it. We have to close. Then we start another one. TR. Okay. This is one row. Do you understand? This is one row.
Yeah.
We start, we close. If you want to second row, we start here, we close here. But here, we don't put as header, because if we put as header, you've seen this thing, they are bold. When they are heading, it's bold. So instead, we put data, TD, table data, TD, 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 TD. Because the browser understands these commands. So we will see the difference. You've seen it. Even though they are the same, everything is the same, but this one is normal, it's not bold. Now we change this one, Adonai 18 Maths grade 6. Let me copy this everything. I put another one with Anna 14 English 9.
I'm 11.
You are 11. It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's check what will happen. Yes, we have like this, but we didn't put the border. So we have to put border on the table. When we start table, we should tell the border. It has border is equals to quotation mark 1. Let's put 1. Then you will see the difference if you put 2 and 3. You've seen it. What if I put 3? Let me refresh. It is becoming bold, wider. So am I clear about the code? First, you have to understand the meaning. This table is okay. Table is normal. We open table. We put this is the border of the line when we put the table. So the next one is TR, table row, table header. TH is table header, because it understands. We didn't say here. We didn't say put bold and a little bigger. We didn't say. The system automatically understood what is the code. When it says TH, they put in bold. Okay. If you have any concern here, let me know first. Do you have question on the code or on the display? You've seen our page, we start with hello world, then we continue writing text, heading, then we continue to put picture, links, table. It's growing. Once we reach down, it will be complete website. Then we will push to this side. We will adjust. We will use another code called CSS. CSS used if you want to tell this picture, I need it in the center or on the top of this corner or on the bottom of this side. We use CSS. That one we will see it later after we finish this HTML. Once we are okay with the HTML, creating simple website, then the CSS will help us to make nice to look nice our website. It's like decoration for a house, adding some good image, some good frames, good font size, different color, background. For example, this page is the background is everything white, right? If I go to this page, see it has different background. Where was it? Let me go here. HTML. You've seen this is moving when I put my cursor here, it's moving. This is because of the HTML, the CSS code. If you want the CSS code I was writing here, it's just simple. It's like this. For example, let me show you one thing. For example, here, can you see the navigation links? It only controls the links. List style none, display flex, justify content center, put center, margin 0, padding 0. That's how if I change one thing here, it will automatically change for everything, every links, not once. This CSS helps us. We can put it inside we can put CSS here, inside here, but if you put one here, if I put, it will control only the page, the photo. If I put in one file, it will control the whole page. For example, if where is it? If I go in WS3 schools, you've seen how many titles do we have here? Navigation bar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are so many. If I want to change something, for example, the color, the font color to red, I have to go put on for this HTML red for everything. If I'm writing the decoration inside the HTML code, but if I put here, I will tell navigation link or navigation bar only change color, background. For example, this one is telling background color, put here. Title color, put here only. Then it will change for all titles. So it will help us to control easily our codes, and it will make our website very nice and interesting. If you don't have question, I want you guys to practice on this one Remember, don't forget. Practice on your spare time. Except this one, don't put Adonai, Anna. Another any names, 3. So you can, okay, use this one, 3, 2 of them. What is it? Okay, I can send you screenshot of this from here. From here to here. Okay, to here. I will send you the screenshot on the group if you want to put, if you want to remember or to help for reference. On top of these two names, add another 3 names. Then it will become 5. Make sure you come with this, with this assignment. Let me screenshot. So do you have any question?
No.
What about Anna, Azaria, Aki?
No.
Okay. So I'm sending it now. You can have reference, but make sure you finish it. So guys, see you next week if you don't have any question.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you.